throw us away. And a grown person can come and throw us away. But you, gold and diamond, instead of throwing you away, they take you and put you in the pocket.
Yes,
Glory be to Jesus.
I
want you to know your value. What you have in you.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. I want you to see how you are instead of and your body.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. Let me tell you one thing. This body, it's like a cover. It's like a cover. But it has a value when you have something inside of it.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
I want somewhere where they sell perfumes. When you look at an expensive perfume and you look at the carton outside, you can buy it only because of the carton outside. They gave the carton with a value because what it has inside.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. They gave the perfume a carton with value because of what it has inside. Your body has a value when Christ is in you. Glory be to Jesus. It has value when you have something inside.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
You must know the Christ you have in you.
Hallelujah.
Let me tell you one thing. It's not the pastor who gives birth to the Christians.
Oh yeah.
No. It's a Christian who gives birth to other Christians. Let me tell you one thing. It's not a shepherd who gives birth to sheep, but it's the sheep who give birth to other sheep. That's why David said, the Lord is my shepherd, I will not lack. He made me to rest in the green path, and made me to go into calm waters. And he directs my heart.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. In other words, it's not the pastor who only preaches to people so that they shall be saved. But the pastor directs the church. The pastor directs you and makes you to grow. But it's about you to tell others and to bring them to Christ. They will not know Christ anywhere else. It's not only about the words that we say, but even on how you change.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
For that, don't go and tell people why your church is not growing. You have a role to play in it, because you don't tell anything to them.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus.
Hallelujah.
The second point, when you have Christ in you, you have to show him in front of others.
Yes,
you have to manifest him. When you have Christ, you have to manifest him. Not only speaking about him, but on how you behave. Daniel, when they brought him as slaves in another country, they brought them to go to serve in the kingdom. And they told the one who was responsible to feed them, and he told them, do you know what? We don't eat meat. Oh, no, we don't eat meat. Just give us some other food, vegetables. Why? Because we are Jew. We don't eat anything, all other things that we found around.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. In other words, in that time, to be called a Jew, it was like to be a Christian today. day. We don't eat all things that we find around us. The reason is what? Daniel wanted others to show who he was. But today, a Christian, you go out there, when they ask you, are you saved? You will ask, what are you talking about? What did it happen? We went to the airport, and I was going to Burundi, and then I met with a friend. Before that, we were waiting to the bus, and they asked me, do you know, I came here to the airport, and I found this person, and his friend going to Burundi, and I said, glory be to Jesus, and when I said, glory be to Jesus,
Hallelujah. Yes, but and
I said, glory be to Jesus. And the friend said, hey, is this person saved? I didn't know. Because we do the same thing.
Yes,
glory be to Jesus. I want you to leave this place saying that I am saved. And I want you to leave this place saying that I have something in my Christian. Don't be ashamed to say that you are a Christian. Don't be ashamed to say that, to tell others who you are. Then outside, people are waiting to know who you are. And that when you are afraid, then you are saved. I am a Jew. There's something that I don't have to eat. And there's something that I can't do. Glory be to Jesus. But a Christian of today, the Christian is afraid to say who he is.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Daniel refused to eat everything so that they shall know the God that he was praying. I'm not going to talk about those things. The country where he was, they got to know God because of him. The reason is what? There are some things that he left, he did not eat anymore. Today I want you to leave some things, to abandon some things, for people to know Christ in you.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Today
don't continue to mix things. Today you might be a Christian. A Christian might have an MP3. There are some kinds of songs of Chinyama. There's some songs of Don Moon. And if you continue again, you will hear Lady Gaga singing on that MP3.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
And she said, I'm going to prepare a big concert. It's a country of Muslim.
Indonesia
say she's